Hey guys, what is up? Alex here and welcome back to my channel. I've been off-roading quite a bit this summer, and every time I go out with a whole bunch of other guys, I'm missing out on the communication aspect of the adventure as I don't have any means of communicating with them. So I decided to install a CB radio system onto my 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. And I'm pretty new to CB radios, so I decided to go with the most basic setup that I can find, and I will be installing the Cobra 19 DX4 system along with the 48-inch Fire Stick antenna, and with the spring mounts and the PL259 stud mounts and all of that stuff. So I'll be doing a full install today, so I hope you stick around, follow me along with the install, and let's do this together. After unboxing the CB radio package, this is what we have. We have the CB radio unit right here. Sorry, that was backwards. And also mounting brackets, a speaker slash mic, and that's pretty much it. And we got a manual and installation instructions right there. This should be a pretty straightforward install. I think the hardest part about this install is finding where to mount this baby, so let's start with that. Okay, so finding a spot where to mount this unit has proven to be the most difficult part of this installation, believe it or not. I was going to initially put it here, but I just realized that this is actually an airbag, so that wouldn't be a good spot for it. If you put it up here, it would be in the way of the glove box compartment. So the most logical spot for it right now is to mount it right here, and I'll do just that. Now that the CB radio has been mounted and installed, I just want to give you guys a look from the driver's vantage point to see how this functions from this end. And as you can see, I can easily reach and get at the system without any problems. I can grab the mic, no problem, and easily slide it back on. And I've already connected the positive and negative leads, so just turn it on, and as you can see, powers up. There's not much we can do yet, as we still need to finish the installation. So yeah, that's it for the mounting of the radio. So that's pretty much it for this part of our project anyway, and the installation of the Cobra 19DX4 CB radio turned out to be a very straightforward and easy installation. As mentioned, the hardest part of the install was finding a suitable mounting spot for it, but I'm very happy where it ended up, and I think it's a very convenient location. On another note, please check out the continuation of this project by clicking the video link up here, and This covers the Fire Stick and antenna installation with the Fire Stick PL259 stud mount and the Fire Stick spring mount, and it also covers bracket grounding and the tip assembly of the coax RG58 cable with the fire ring mount. So that's pretty much it. Thank you again for tuning in, and I hope that you learned something today, as I certainly did. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and if you're into Tacoma modifications and off-roading adventures, please go ahead and click on that subscribe and notification bell buttons. And again, to my subscribers, thank you for following me as always, and I hope to see you all again in the next video. So bye for now, and please remember, if you can be anything, you might as well be nice.